Hey, Alex here, and today I will show you a prototype which I just created over the last hour. Basically, the problem that I'm trying to solve is I spend half of a day at some online meetings, another half of a day I enjoy silence or music in my noise cancellation headphones. As a result, my colleagues are a little bit afraid, or they're not comfortable to come to me and speak because they're thinking they might be distracting me from the meeting. One of them mentioned, hey, why wouldn't you put some big red light when you're on meeting so we'll know when we can contact you? Hey, and I thought, hey, nice idea. And here is my implementation of this idea. Basically, this is LED neon style light from China. Also, I found some USB relay which you can control from the computer. And I did some rewiring, and now I can control this light from USB using software. I used ChatGPT and Claude to come up with software for this. It's pretty simple program. What it does, it integrates with Amazon Chime. It's meeting software which I'm using to do my online meetings. It's similar to Google Meet or Zoom, etc. Software monitors Chime, and when it detects that meeting started, it basically turns on this light. When meetings is over, it turns off this light automatically. So I will never forget to do this, and as a result, this sign will be up to date. So let me show you how it works. So here I'm starting new meeting. You can see it immediately detects that something is happening, and colleagues can see, hey, I'm on the meeting. By the way, you can increase, decrease brightness of the sign depending on your environment. And as soon as I end meeting, software detects that, hey, no, there is no more meeting, and as you can see, light is turns off automatically. So that's it, pretty simple, straightforward. Let me see how it works in real life. And by the way, I also 3D printed some such stands for the sign, so it will stand on my desk a little bit more steady. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.